Hey G4G fans, Rob Winsky here at the G4G Gym or Going for Greatness Gym in Elmhurst. I'm going to demonstrate a highly advanced exercise designed to challenge those fitness enthusiasts who are looking for something fun and different and challenging to keep you motivated, and athletes looking for the athletic edge. It's going to challenge your coordination, core stability, mobility, and all planes of movement. The transverse with rotation, the sagittal with flex and extension, and a little bit of frontal action with the lateral movement going on. What? All planes of movement? That's freaking nuts! That's crazy! What kind of exercise is this? Well, I'll show you one, okay? Now, once again, we got a physio ball, and we have a Viper here. This Viper is 15 pounds of weight, okay? It's going to load my core. Whoa! 15 pounds! Oh, yeah! It's going to help assist me, provide a little assistance, help me get situated on this physio ball here with my feet shoulder width apart. I'm going to grab the ball, grab it, and tilt it to left and to right. This is going to challenge my core stability, my frontal plane movement, getting a crazy here with the crazy results on the physio ball, tilting to the left and to the right. My glutes are on fire, as well as my adductors. I'm going to grab the log. I'm going to add squats. I'm going to catch it. I'm going to stand up with it. As you can tell, very, very difficult to do. I'm going to squat. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to grab my two skinny handles, twist to the left, rotate to the right. I'm going to bend. I'm going to weave. Oh, yeah! I'm going to squat and press. I can do it all. I can do squat. I can do uppercuts. I can get a little crazy with these crazy relative Vipers. And I'm going to jump off. And I'm going to challenge you to do that.